Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Hey, we're back here on the Globex session. Had a little bit of time, so I figured I'd pop in, see how you guys are doing. Hello, hey Thad. First viewer of the Globex session here. Globex just opened up. Got an eval here. I'm thinking about trading, so getting a pop currently on the ES and Q.
Artlist.io.
We got 6 viewers currently, 5 on X and 1 in YouTube. Welcome, welcome everybody. Usually don't stream at night, but here we are.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
See if we can get a rejection here off of the overnight VWAP. I'm just in an eval account right now. Gonna take a trade or two here. I don't want to touch my fundeds just yet. See if we can't put a little bit of cash in our evals. Hi, my boss didn't stream this evening, so I'm gonna hang out for 30 minutes. Nice, hey Darren. I usually don't stream on the Asia session, but I figured I had a little bit of time myself, so eyeballing this bearish fair value gap here for an entry on the short side. Although we did hold pretty well, so let's take a look at see if we can see where these order blocks are. We got a buy order block down there, so this could potentially be a target actually at some point. We're on the 5-minute here. Is that when's the BOJ rate hike? Let me check that out right now on Financial Juice. Is that tonight? Obviously.
Artlist.io. Music
6 p.m. is Trump's address to the nation. I don't see that on financial juice. Oh, so tomorrow. Okay. I mean, yeah, might be a good idea. Let's see how it goes. Let's see here. Where's the BOJ? There we go. BOJ press conference. That's 22:30 tomorrow night. Yeah, it might not be a bad idea. Probably get a little bit of extra viewers on. Well, we rejected off of that
Music licensing.
that New Year VWAP there. Heading down below the point of control right now. Sheesh. Didn't quite get into the fair value gap like I was hoping.
Artlist.io.
I'll wake up early for it, like 3 a.m. for me, UK Friday. Wow. All right. Obviously going to be some volatility. I usually don't really trade at those volatile times, but hey, might be worthwhile.
Music licensing reimagined.
I'm going to be patient here. Let's try to wait for another entry up here at this. Let's see what happens when we get to this overnight VWAP. I think you'll see a push up overnight this eve into the UK session tomorrow. Expecting more sell off tomorrow US session. All right. So what you're saying is I probably shouldn't be taking a short at this fair value gap that day.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Pretty substantial move here from the open to the low there. 67 points.
Artlist.io.
Pretty strong bounce, although volume isn't super high. We got 2-3 minutes left on this candle though, so there's still a chance that they're going to pump up this volume level.
Artlist.io.
Took that overnight now.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Sort of holding this overnight VWAP right now. What is this witchcraft? Evening, just in time for me to go to bed. You have to get up at 1. Sorry, Keith. Not trying to keep you awake or anything. Just had a little bit of free time right now, so I figured I'd pop on for the stream for a bit and see if I can't find a trade. So that fair value gap's only on the 5. Is it on the 3? No. So we only got this fair value gap on the 5-minute. I'm yawning just as much right now for this as I usually am first thing in the morning. Need to drink some more coffee here.
Music licensing reimagined.
All right, Keith. See you tomorrow.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
Playing around with this VWAP right now. Let's see if we can't get some sort of a move out of this area. I just marked up this fair value gap. It was on the 5-minute, so just wanted to go down to the 1-minute to see how this is looking on this levels here, on these levels. Looks like they're trying to push back down to the lows here. Got a pretty big bearish fair value gap on the 30-minute. Not on the 1 hour though. And not on the 15-minute.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Popping it up pretty good here.
Music licensing reimagined.
Let's try this here, guys. I'm keeping this tight pretty stop. We're risking about $50 right now. Basically targeting a little bit near the lows here for rejection. Let's see if it's going to play out, or is it just going to rip and stop us? Let's see. We got 2 minutes left on this candle here.
Artlist.io.
maybe it's about $60 risk on this trade here. We're in with 4 micros short on MNQ.
Music licensing reimagined.
Hey, between here and there. How you doing? I'm trying to short here on this bearish fair value gap, but so far, not looking that promising. I get risking about $60 on this trade right now for about 110 or so profit. If we end up getting a closure above 24,974, that'll be a clear point to close the trade, cut it early. But yeah, we're just stopping above this doji candle over here, this bearish doji candle. Let's see how this plays out. Yeah, Trump's going to be talking at what time was that? 6. I think it's 6 p.m. for me. I think is it. Let me double check here. Trump 18. Yeah, so 6 p.m. for me, which would be 9 p.m. East Coast. So far, fair value gap looks like they're going to hold it right now for this candle, anyways. So 2 hours and 15 minutes. Yeah.
Music licensing reimagined.
Hopefully they just erase this. Nice. They just erased that potential bullish fair value gap in that area. We'll see how fast we move down here. I might actually end up moving my stop or my TP a little bit further. You know what? Let's try to take off 2 here. So we're gonna buy. I gotta change this guy over here to 2. Buy 2 right there. Get it down there. I'll take off 2, and then I'll bring my stop on the remaining 2 contracts to break even. First, we got to get through this overnight VWAP here, and we got the EMAs in the way. But so far, pretty happy that we got that rejection there. We just need to take those guys right now. Nice. So we're up $70 right now on this trade.
Music licensing
$80. See if we're gonna get some more continuation here. 18 viewers. Looks like we got 5 in YouTube and 11 in my X, and then 2 in Nick's X. So I'm broadcasting also to Nick's channel right now. Let's see if we can't take this overnight view up here. We got 3 minutes on this candle. It's being a bit of a bugger currently.
Artlist.io.
Come on, let's break the low of this candle here. We need to see it go below 24,963. Be nice. Kind of got a couple orders down there. There we go, a little take there. It's good. Now the next roadblock is going to be this 21 EMA. We got 2 minutes on this candle here. Let's see this. These sellers. Hopefully they're going to. Hopefully they're going to reject off this overnight VWAP here. Take some control. We do have a bullish fair value gap here on the 2-minute chart.
Artlist.io.
We got 24,930 is where we have a bunch of orders. So let's shoot for 40 because 40 is a pretty round number. So we can shoot for 41 on the remaining contracts if we end up getting filled. Basically, if these 2 orders get taken out, I'm going to bring stop to break even on the remainder and just let it play out. See if we can't get it to continue all the way down to 24,941. First things first, we need to break this 21 EMA. It seems to be holding support here. It's been holding support 1, 2, 3, 4 times so far, and now on our 5th candle here. Ideally, we can get a close down here below the 24,959.50 area. $18 seconds on this candle. Let's see if we can't get a closure down here, boys. Let's go. Let's go. There we go. Nice, boys. There we go. We're up 92. Oh, they bounced it. Just when you think it's going to be good. That's too bad. They tricked us. At least we opened up below the 21 EMA, which is good. So got another chance here to get these orders taken out. Like I said, if we do get those orders out, we're going to go break even on the balanced. They're edging us, guys. They're edging us right now. Edging those orders. There we go. We took those orders out, so we got to change the 2 contracts now. Confirm that. Bring this slightly break even, right around here. Let's see if we can't get some more continuation. Maybe we can take off another order down here. Sort of at these lows. One limit there. So locked in a little bit of green there. There we go. Are we going to get this one right away too? Come on. I'm going to actually take this right now, guys. There we go. Took that. There we go. Nice. All right. Let's go down to 1 contract here. Confirm that. Looks like we're going to get this right away, even 2 maybe. I don't know. I feel like I should just almost take this. But I'm going to be, let's be patient. You know what? Let's get rid of this. Let's move this down. Let's move it down. Why not, right? If we break up, if we get above the point of control there, that'll be sort of get me out, right? That'll be the get me out. Maybe we're gonna get a nice solid move lower here. Okay, Darren, you have a good night. Sleep well. See you in the morning. Nice big bearish fair value gap there, Foreman. Are we going to get some more continuation right here? Let's see. Come on, guys. Let's go.
Artlist.io.
Starting to think I should start trailing this a little tighter if we get down here. Yeah, I'm going to drop my stop there. We might get stopped out here with the pullback. So either way, we're locked in there. We got it. We got the sell. Nice.
Music licensing reimagined.
Very good. We locked that in, hey? So what did I end up making there? $181 in that trade. Beauty. Beautiful trade. You know, it's that good old saying, don't be a dick for a tick, right? That's why I usually end up, when I get that close to my TP, I just always tend to put my stop in there. But didn't even need it. We just ripped right through it. Beautiful, beautiful trade. Nice. We got this bullish fair value gap here, so I guess we can wait for some sort of idea as to what's going to happen down there. This could be the bounce actually in that fair value gap.
Music licensing reimagined.
Let's just watch this one here. We'll watch this for a bit, see how this plays out here. That was a nice trade. Nice trade. That was in an eval account. One of my Lucid eval accounts. I got this guy left. I'm trying to get my 5th funded account going with them.
Artlist.io.
But I think we should probably do a couple air horns and an applause for that trade. Because that was a pretty solid trade. I should get into eval accounts. Don't really mess with them too much. Yeah, I mean, it's a cheaper way to get to that funded account, right? If you want to save on the budget, get some practice, and then get into some funded accounts at a relatively cheap price. You can use my code. I would definitely say Lucid is good way to go, because they're like no fees, no activation fees, and no reoccurring billing either. So with the discount, I think you can get like a 50K for around $100 US, and you can take it on Tradeovate, so you don't do both Project X nonsense. What is Trump supposed to talk about? He's to address the nation.
Music licensing reimagined.
So I guess he's gonna just say how good the US is doing right now, right? Because that's all. We're the hottest country on the planet right now. No?
Artlist.io.
He may be announcing we are going to war. Really? Oh, damn. Damn. That's a little scary.
Music licensing reimagined.
With Venezuela? Ugh.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, let's be flat for that, guys. If we're gonna be trading around that time. Well, good trade to start off the session here.
Artlist.io.
Up 180 now on this eval. This account is now up to 838, so I got about 1/3 of the way through on my way to the profit target.
Music licensing reimagined.
Feeling like we should probably be looking for some shorts either in one of these two fair value gaps. And we have a Bank of Japan hike rates Friday. Private credit showing massive cracks today as well. So I don't know. It's not looking great. Pretty sure I mentioned some of this before though. Yeah. Yeah, pretty rough. Pretty rough. So we got 17 viewers right now. We got 5 in the X, 5 in YouTube, 10 in X, 2 in Nix X. So lots of people hanging out. I recently hit 167 subscribers and we got 3 likes today. So thank you so much, everybody who subscribed and hit the like button. Appreciate that very much. Rejected off of this 24,938 level currently.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Maybe we're gonna head to previous day low here at some point. I just don't like we have this big fair value gap in the way. Pretty large 5-minute bullish fair value gap here. It's actually on the 2-minute, my bad. So we're kind of 50% of the way into the 5-minute one already. Let's get back to the 5 here and watch from this guy. I do have this this Blue Guardian 50K account.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Pretty nice bearish fair value gap on the 5 there.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
So we dipped into there and now we're heading lower. Sheesh. Oh, guys. I'm going to go with one contract here. I'm going to try. Wait, we didn't get it. We didn't get an order there. What's going on here?
Music
It's,
licensing
I'm not able to trade right now or what? What's going on here? Interesting. Whatever, it didn't let me join Ask there for some reason. I don't really want to try it now. We're too late. But it'll let me queue up an order. Sheesh.
Artlist.io.
What the heck? What the heck, guys? Yeah, it's not one MNQ join ask rejected. Market in pre-open status. I don't know. Maybe I gotta just refresh this guy. It's so weird.
Music
Not being very
licensing
friendly.
reimagined.
Getting a bounce though. I just got notification that I hit 1,000 hours of view time from YouTube, guys. That's pretty awesome. 1,043 hours of watch time from my YouTube. So, bit of a milestone. A lot of big players are going. They are no longer investing. Okay, well, we got in there. I wanted to test it one more time, but so let's risk. We're risking about 32 bucks here. See if we can just get down to the lows. I didn't really. Let's see. We're being pretty bearish. We got a little pullback there, sort of at this 50% of this this candle here. Entry.
Artlist.io.
Might get a push here pretty quick. Pretty bearish. Aye.
Music licensing reimagined.
Uh-oh, guys. We're bouncing. Let's hold that low wick. Let's go Bears. Don't move the stop, I know, right? Don't move it. It's pretty decent stop. If we end up breaking that, taking that high, it's going to be a negative. Let's go, boys. Here we go. Yeah, we're getting some momentum here again. Come on. Come on. Yeah, there you go. This market's being too nice right now. Just one direction only. Look at that. There we go. Okay, we're good. 27.75 in this 25K eval account. So now I'm up 77 on this count. Small base hits, you know how we do. Let's go. Woo! Let's see if I can make my hand disappear in the screen here. We gotta do another couple air horns and an applause. I was just about to lock that stop in near the lows there, but it just decided to rip right through the entry. Oh, look at that bounce. Hedge funds are all rushing for the exit. It's like the worst game of hot potato. Last one gets margin called, right? Yeah. Yeah, last one to get out. I knew what you meant. Let's avoid those margin calls, boys. What's your real name there between here and there?
Music licensing reimagined.
Evan. Nice. Okay. And where do you live? Dave. My real name's Dave. Most people call me Butcher.
Artlist.io.
Pennsylvania. Nice. I'm in Vancouver, Canada. Your friendly northerly neighbor. Bay Harbor Butcher? No. Don't group me up with that guy. I'm pretty sure that's a serial killer, right? I don't know if I can say that on YouTube. Damn. I gotta be careful.
Music licensing reimagined.
Oh, Dexter. Oh, that guy. Yeah. Nice. Good to meet you there, Billy. Where you coming from?
Artlist.io.
Atlanta. Nice. Very cool. Are you on looking to see what happens when Trump
Music licensing reimagined.
tells the world what's going on right now, or what? Kind of stalling out in this price action right now. We do have that 24,900, which is where we basically bounced off of. You're in silver right now? Yeah, I heard there's a lot of people trading silver lately. Been seeing some comments about silver. Silver's been hot. You know, all those werewolves coming, they got to make those silver bullets, so.
Music licensing reimagined.
It's been rallying every evening. I'm gonna open it up right now. Let's see. Silver, and I guess that's a G contract, right? Yeah, SILG. Let's add that guy.
Artlist.io.
No, not G, is it? Is it? SILH. Okay, thanks.
Artlist.io.
I was like, doesn't look like G because G's all spotty. Did gold roll over too? Because I still have MGCG.
Music licensing reimagined.
It's MGCG. Gold and silver rolled over. I don't see MGCH.
Music licensing reimagined.
When the yen carry trade unwinds, it collapses almost every global currency purchasing power, and countries also need it for AI as well. That's why people move into silver to preserve their capital. Okay, gotcha. Yeah, I thought I knew that gold rolled over recently, and that's why I figured that silver was also the G contract. But yeah, nice, thanks.
Music licensing reimagined.
Audio is bad standing, especially when you turn your head. Sorry about that. Bad standing, bad sounding. You guys notice that too, or is it just Evan? You find that my audio gets pretty bad? More supply, more room to run, easier to find. Yeah, you know, I got it playing through. I got it like my stream playing also. I can hear myself talking. Oh, what do we got here? Testing that overnight view up here. Pretty strong bounce though.
Artlist.io.
Rejected off that right there. Okay, new candle here. Let's see how this one plays out a bit.
Music licensing reimagined.
If we end up inverting this fair value gap, we could be looking for some buys after that. We do have this. Did we end up inverting this guy up here? I don't think we did. We have this one above also. So
Artlist.io.
might have to feed my dog here real quick. He's just bugging me over there, Mr. Ralph. He's like, feed me. It's only 4:15, Ralph. You're hungry already?
Music licensing reimagined.
So there's a good deal on Take Profit Trader right now also. I picked up 5 evals from Take Profit Trader. So woo, gonna have to copy trade those buggers, see if I can't get those past. Oh, nice bounce there. Bit of a ripper. Do have half a mind of taking a long right now, but I'm gonna wait for this candle to close, see what kind of closure we get. Gold is starting to rip right now too, up to value area high. Pretty strong bounce there. Did we get some news or something?
Music licensing reimagined.
Okay, rejected out of there. Maybe it was kind of a bit of a stop run. Yeah. Makes sense.
Artlist.io.
We could risk it up here. I don't mind risking this one again. But this is a pretty strong candle. I don't know that this bounce is over yet.
Music licensing reimagined.
10 points already.
Artlist.io.
Stock Tiger is trying to go long right now. We did hold that fair value gap.
Music licensing reimagined.
This guy right here. Yeah, Stock Tiger, he's a long guy for sure.
Artlist.io.
See how this candle closes here. There you go. There's some of that selling. Sheesh. Oh.
Music licensing reimagined.
Shoulda, coulda, woulda. Oh yeah, so this one's inverted now, so we can make this a yellow guy. So we got a couple bullish kind of zones below us now. Sorry guys, I gotta give Ralph some food here. He's just winding up a storm over there. Yeah, I'll see you in a minute.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Dog food. Look at all you can see is dog food is floating around. Woo. Hey, Ralph, there you go, bud.
Licensing reimagined.
Hungry? You hungry?
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
And I'm back. Sorry about that.
Reimagined.
Still holding that fair value gap, eh? Just 5 minutes.
Artlist.io.
We got 26 people viewing right now. 6
Music
in
licensing
YouTube,
reimagined.
15 in X, and 5 in Nix X. Thanks for showing up, everybody. We took two trades so far. One micro made 27 bucks on this guy, and we went with 4 micros on this account here, and we made 180. 180, I think it was. Yeah, 181.50 in that eval account. So a couple base hits.
Artlist.io.
Still holding this bearish fair value gap on the 5-minute here at the 24,970 level.
Music licensing reimagined.
Fuse. Iced tea. I pulled a shard of glass out of my fingertip today. My screen cover on my phone cracked because I put my keys in the pocket with it. And then picked up my phone the other day, and I thought it was just a cut, but turns out that there was a piece still stuck in there. So I guess my skin kind of ejected it a bit, and I pulled the rest of it out. So those things are dangerous, eh?
Music licensing reimagined.
Then I tweezered it out today. Thank Lord. Jeez. I kept poking it and it's like, oh, what the heck? There's got to be something in there. And then, like I said, luckily my skin kind of ejected it out. Yeah, it's always the screen protector that goes, eh? Yeah.
Artlist.io.
So we're kind of stuck between these two fair value gaps right now, being held up by the overnight VWAP and this inverted fair value gap. We got the bullish fair value gap below it. So kind of hard to take a trade in this area until we get some sort of a break. I mean, we got Asia here in about 30 minutes coming up. Should get a little more volatility when that opens.
Artlist.io.
MU reported earnings today. They're using the imbalance between the earnings to get out of things like Oracle, Nvidia, etc. Okay. Nice bounce there, hey guys. Their earnings was actually good, but they reduced their consumer-facing stuff, increased cap expenses spent, and see a slowdown in Q2 of 2026. Oh. Are you going to be trading any options in there? But that's why your price action is weird.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Oh, you still have your 20 contracts though? I have 20 Nvidia, 150 contracts expiring next year, 2 Meta, and 6 Iron. No MU though. Already sold those. Gotcha. Yeah, I thought you said you sold those for, what was it, like 80% or something? That's awesome. Yeah, we're just playing chop right now between these two fair value gaps. Nice. Sweet. That's awesome.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
I had this client that bought an apartment, not with me, but a potential client back in 2022. They paid $510,000, and they were asking me to see what the price is right now. And you're lucky to get $440,000 right now. So from 2022 for 3 years, paying mortgages and fees, everything, right? You're losing still almost $70,000.
Reimagined.
So this shows what the Canadian real estate market is like right now. Not a very good time to be, depending on when you bought, not the best time to be holding a property. Yeah, it's tough. It's tough. That's what I do outside of trading, is I'm a real estate agent, right? So but my recommendation to them was to not sell right now, because unless they had to. But I kind of see, in the next couple of years, I can see the prices continuing to go down. So it's kind of like, if you're going to hold it for 5 years, maybe you can get back into some profit, right? But until then, pretty risky right now. So might not be a bad idea to just take the loss and sell it. Because I don't know their full situation. They don't really tell you if they're cash poor or whatever, right? So, but if that's the case, might be the right idea. It's like that here as well, yeah. Like from around COVID times, the prices peaked and then I've been selling, like going lower. I don't know. I would take the loss and sell if they're struggling, but they might not find anything better. Yeah. Well, I think that one is an investment property for them, so it's not like they live in that house. It's rented out, so that's kind of why it's like, if you're not really taking much of a loss on holding it, then maybe you just hold it, right? If it's just depends on how much cash flow it is. So I've been trying to talk to them about like how much rent they're getting, what the mortgage payment is, the property taxes, and the like strata fees. So it might work out to be smarter to just keep taking a small nominal loss every month or every year, hold it for 5 years, and then at least you don't lose 70 grand, right? Maybe you only lose like go break even or lose 20 grand or something, right? But 70 grand's quite a big loss, right? If you pay 510 and you can only sell it for 440, it's pretty substantial. So
Music licensing reimagined.
A lot of companies were given something called a Cove Light loan during 20 and 21. I mean, the entire property, not just one unit. The issue with them is they have zero guardrails, easy loans. They have 60 to 75% haircuts. Wow. Ouch. Yeah, that's rough. Well, it looks like we're going to have to wait for Asia to find out what's going to happen here if we're going to break any of these levels. Are you okay, Ralph?
Artlist.io.
Might have to take Ralph to the bathroom here. Pretty nice bounce there.
Music licensing reimagined.
So we're still sitting at 25 viewers. We got 5 in the X channel, or 5 in YouTube, 15 in X, which is pretty crazy. I usually don't have that many viewers in my X channel. And then we got 5 in Nick's X channel, because I'm broadcasting to his channels also right now. I figured, what the heck, right? Why not? I made a new thumbnail for today's stream. I don't know if you guys saw that, but got AI to whip up a Globex trading what's it called, thumbnail. So FC Nightingale. Who's at? His at is FC Nightingale.
Artlist.io.
Should be interesting. He posts about commercial real estate around the Western Hemisphere, primarily in the U.S.
Music
Gotcha.
licensing reimagined.
SC Nightingale on X, I guess. I'm gonna check him out here.
Artlist.io.
Okay. Management consulting, training, and speaking.
Artlist.io.
Oh my god. Yeah, the first post is like 99 Bedford. Here, I'll drag this over so you guys can see this real quick. 99 Bedford Street in downtown Boston, Massachusetts. Sold for 38% of its price 6 years ago. Sold for 19 million. Purchased at 50.5 million in 2019. That is savage, man. People are exiting fast. Like, you can see the drawdowns in less than 5 years. They're so bad. Yeah, like, this is disgusting. Can you imagine that? Like, more than half of your like family's wealth deleted. That's savage.
Artlist.io.
Hartford Corrigan's former HQ historic office building sold for 11% of its price 7 years ago. Sold for $725,000. Purchased for $6.9 million. Wow, that's pretty savage.
Music
This one sold
licensing
for $6 million.
reimagined.
Purchased for $27 million. Damn. Yeah, the world is it's a tough place right now. Four distressed office buildings in Los Angeles, California. Brookfield and its lenders and receivers, special services, are peddling 4 active offerings at about 4.5 million
Artlist.io.
square feet of class office space in the financial district, roughly 18% of their inventory. Huh.
Music licensing reimagined.
I'll throw it a follow here. I'm curious about that. CRE has 6 to 18 month lag before it indirectly affects residential properties. We are sitting towards the latter half of that time frame. Yeah, I know. I'm pretty stressed out actually. Maybe I should sell my property too here.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Still just playing around in these 2 fair value gaps, hey guys? This is a no trade zone.
Music licensing reimagined.
No trade zone.
Artlist.io.
Apparently, the House of Representatives has rejected Venezuela war power resolution with 213 votes against the revolution. Okay. I mean, I hope they don't have a war, man. Like, it's just, we have, Trump's always talking about how he's stopping all these wars. Like, how is he going to go start a war now? And then that he called that F candy, because I can't really say that on YouTube. The F, the thing that's so dangerous out there. They calling it a mass destruction weapon or whatever. Weapon of mass destruction. That's pretty savage. Which, I mean, that stuff is disgusting. Whoever made that is a really bad person. Right? I don't know how it is for you guys out that way, but obviously it's pretty bad there too, I'm sure. But it's pretty bad over here. We have in Vancouver Hastings Street, and it's everybody's like bent over, like they got a broken back, and there's like hundreds of them all living out on the street all day. It's pretty savage. I mean, I have half a mind to short this extreme right here, because there's a good chance it's just going to go straight back down here, but it's in the no trade zone. So yeah, that's what he's talking about. Yeah, Too bad a big part of the problem is it all comes from China, and then it actually gets manufactured or whatever they do with it in Vancouver. Actually, it's a pretty hot area because our liberal government just, they're not protecting our borders. They're just letting all the immigrants in, and it's a disaster. It's a disaster in Canada right now. So let's see. Are we going to invert this now? They're pumping it up, maybe like you're saying, to get another short opportunity.
Artlist.io.
$20 seconds here on this candle.
Music licensing reimagined.
All right, so we did invert that.
Artlist.io.
So if we can get a little bit of a pullback here, we could think about taking a stab at a long. What would be our target, though? I mean, what do we got for a target up there? Maybe 25,016. Not a whole lot there. Or 10. Oh, 7 maybe. 25,007. What do we got on book here?
Music licensing reimagined.
We got a bunch of orders at 25,000. And then we got orders at 25,012 or so. 12.5. We might just get a rejection here off of 25,000, which is kind of what we did here earlier. So I guess we should wait for that sort of situation to play out.
Artlist.io.
We've got a pretty big bullish fair value gap now, potentially overlaying this bearish inverted one. Currently this big. See if we get some more pullback.
Music licensing
Our 50%
reimagined.
is right off of that fair value gap. Let's put an order. We'll put our stop sort of just below this fair value gap. If it ends up going down there, we'll get out.
Artlist.io.
I think the profit targets to pass this eval is about 1,500. And I got almost $100 in this account, so another 15 $100 winners, and we could be there, or not 50, $1,400 winners.
Music licensing reimagined.
But I usually trying to trade with less contracts, especially on these 25K evals. Well, I think Ralph's sleeping now. You heard that? Sorry about that. Well, you know I'm not a bot anyways, right?
Artlist.io.
You know, I got a farm with chickens, right? So I got some fresh eggs every day. What's CTFU? Cut the
Music licensing reimagined.
cut the something up. Crack the fuck up. Okay. Yeah, so I had for lunch I had a salad with avocado and two eggs from the farm. So I forgot a few days back, not a few days back, maybe a week ago, the same thing happened on stream, and then somebody called me out, and I was like, no, I didn't do that. It's like, oh shoot. So we got 7 viewers in the YouTube channel. We got 15 in the X and a couple more in Nick's X now. So we got 7 in Nick's X and 1 person in Nick's YouTube channel. Nick recently was on Prop Fern Match. So he's finally getting a couple people subscribing to his YouTube channel. So yeah, like
Artlist.io.
I should have started making fart noises just because, and then everyone thinks it's like a media asset, right? I should. I'm gonna look real quick, see if we can find a fart on. There's gotta be a good sound effect. I never remember which account I use in there because I have a whole bunch of favorites. Where's my favorites here? No, it's not this one. So I gotta sign out of that.
Artlist.io.
Yeah? Okay, there we go. This is it.
Artlist.io.
Let's try this one. Can I get? Oh, I gotta subscribe to get these. Oh, of course. There are no free ones.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, they want me to pay for this stuff, so I'm not gonna get it, unfortunately. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Get something for the soundboard, but I already spend enough money per month on all this stuff. So maybe if I make a little more, eventually, if I can get some more subscribers and stuff, I'll definitely get some better features. Okay, well, I'm gonna take this this order off here just because I'm in like 1 minute away from Asia Open here. So let's see how the first candle plays out.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
I wonder if I can just record some sounds and then upload that.
Artlist.io.
So we got the 5 p.m. candle right now.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing.
Oh, there we go. We're getting that pullback here. Do we dare? Do we dare? Kind of want to try it. Let's give it a sec here. So we're risking 28 bucks. Basically our profits here on this. We'll just target back up to the highs here. So kind of a 42 TP on that one. We can get a bounce here.
Artlist.io.
If we get up above this fair value gap, I'm probably going to lock my stop in profit around the 985 area. We had a pretty strong bounce there, but now we're starting to pull back again. Let's see if we can't these guys can't buy it up here. What's FL Studio? FL? Is that a place where you can get free sound effects and stuff? Come on, guys. Let's bounce this. No, no, no. Don't come back down. Don't come back down.
Music licensing reimagined.
Oh yeah, it's what the professionals use to make beats and sounds and stuff, eh? Nice. 75 to 85. Maybe I should be trying to take my TP up there, right at the top of that fair value gap. Let's go Asia. 1 minute left on this candle here.
Music licensing reimagined.
Might have to put that stop in to break even a little bit here. Just if we're not getting any much of a bounce here, there's a good chance we're just going to head lower. Buyers seem to be there still currently. If we can get up above this 85, I'm probably just going to lock in the stop up there. Uh-oh.
Artlist.io.
Not liking it now. Getting pretty heavy on this last 20 seconds here. Come on, boys. Bounce it.
Artlist.io.
Uh-oh. Not liking it. Should have stopped it, I guess.
Reimagined.
Hopefully this is going to hold. No, I didn't. I never dropped it. I just picked it up. I haven't dropped it though. I was going to put it in break even, but I never dropped it. So
Artlist.io.
yeah, I never actually dropped it. I probably should have, but I was going to see what was going to happen on that first few seconds of that candle.
Music licensing reimagined.
Buyers are still trying to hold it, but uh-oh. Yeah, it's not looking very good. Almost hit me there.
Artlist.io.
I should definitely try to stop it out here if we get back to break even. I mean, this fair value gap's still holding, so it's not like all over yet, but yeah, I'm going to drop it there. Just not worth the risk at this moment. Let's see. Are we going to bounce? Go, 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 go. Okay, I'm going to be a little more aggressive here on this stop. See if we can't lock in a little bit more. There we go. Locking it up there. 17 bucks. 18 bucks. Nice, nice, nice. Locking it up a bit more. 22, 25. Still bouncing. Let's hold it right there. Let's leave it right there. We got at least 23 bucks in profit. See if we can't get it to go all the way up to our TP here. All right. Let's move it up there. We're at 30 bucks. Nice. All right. Locked in another 30 bucks. So we're up 55 on that trade, on those three trades now. 3 W's. I think we should probably get another couple air horns. And, you know, we got to throw in an applause too. Why not, right? Solid action. Haha. If it runs, that's just so risky. Yeah, I know. It was like, did you see how close that got to my stop? It was like maybe 1 or 2 points away from my stop there. Almost would have hit my TP there, but look at that rejection now too. So yeah, so strong. So Jose Mora is trading. I do trade pretty much full time. I'm here Monday to Friday during market open, and I occasionally trade the Asian session, not very often. Usually Sunday night at market open on Sundays. That's usually my evening stream. But I work in real estate as my main job, and then trade, which is pretty awesome because it gives me the flexibility to trade, Monday to Friday also. So I just don't want to put, I'm relatively new to trading futures. So I started in February of this year trading futures. I have some experience of trading stocks and stuff since around 2018, but futures are relatively new to me. So I've been doing that since February, and I'm just not ready to be putting all the pressure of making your life's living off of trading yet. So maybe after I get to about 2 years of full-time trading, I might consider 2 or 3 years. I might consider, focusing fully on that. But for now, it's just sort of like a side hustle,
Artlist.io.
Pretty good rejection there, hey? Whew. Kind of getting back into that no trade zone area soon.
Artlist.io.
Which I guess I took my trade in the no trade zone. So we're up to 29 viewers now. 7 in my YouTube here, 15 in my X, 7 in Nick's X, and his Nick's YouTube is empty at the moment. But thanks for tuning in. If you feel up to it, definitely hit that subscribe and the like button if you want to get more content, or at least have some chill streams to watch. I trade also with Nick. He's under Mustang Trader. He's a really good, really solid trader, really good risk management and scaling capability. He trades, often trades with like 30 accounts copy traded per trade kind of idea. So if you want to, we got a pretty relaxing stream. Responsible guys just trying to make some money, learn how to stay consistent and everything. So I also have some discount codes with Lucid and Top One Futures if you guys are interested in any of that. And we do also have a free Discord channel, which I can link right now too if you want to hang out or have any comments or anything. Let's see here. Any questions? We have a little coaching corner idea, so you can always send any messages over there if you guys are looking to
Music licensing.
looking for any help on ideas. That's a free Discord channel. It's called the Trading Mindset Hub. So this account I'm trading here is a 25K evaluation account from Blue Guardian Futures. First time trying it, so I just got this account. This is my second day trading it, and we're up $104 in this account. Just looking for small base hits. So
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Oh, nice hold on the New York or the start of day view up there. Almost tapped into this inverted fair value gap. $45 until Trump should be talking, so we'll probably stick around until then, and then we'll wrap up the stream. I'm curious to see what happens when he talks to us. So just give me about 5 minutes here, guys. I'm gonna just whip up a quick little snack because it's sort of my dinner time. It's 5:15 p.m. here, so I will be back shortly.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
And I'm back. Sorry about that. All right, so we still have 5 people in the YouTube. We lost a couple, it looks like, and we got 15 and 7 in the X channels.
Artlist.io.
What do we got? We got about 34 minutes until Mr. D Trump comes on.
Music licensing reimagined.
I wonder if Trump's gonna actually say something to pump the market. Maybe they're gonna pump it and then they're gonna sell it off tomorrow morning. It'd be interesting to see. 3i Atlas is supposed to be coming in the next 2 days as well. All this stuff happening at the same time is weird, hey? Oh, I am Thao. Hey, good to see you. I think I saw you on a stream like on a Sunday a while ago. Welcome back. I am Thao. I know, right? It's all this stuff. 3i Atlas is supposed to be coming in the next 2 weeks, 2 days as well. It's kind of weird that, yeah, weird time.
Music licensing reimagined.
Oh, we're popping here.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Well, we're breaking out here, so I guess we're going to be looking for for a retest and a hold for a potential long.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Be careful on the retest. I have a feeling something happened while he's speaking. Yeah. We still got 30 minutes till he's supposed to speak, but yeah. Looking like it's not going to happen anyways. I mean, first I need a closure above it, and that's not happening. So I'll definitely try to be patient here, see if we can't wait for something to actually play out here. Maybe it's like this. It could be like that still. They're gonna play it around, then they're gonna pump it up like to about here, like in the 20, just above the 25,000s, and then he's gonna start talking. It's just gonna go boom. Maybe like, you know, they're gonna put it here, and then they're gonna go like this, and maybe like, because how long do we have? We got 30 minutes. You're gonna play around here for a bit, right? And then they're gonna pull this like this.
Artlist.io.
Let's see if this kind of plays out like this. It'd be interesting to see. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. That's pretty close to how long it would be.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
As soon as he starts talking, it's just going to go boom. Maybe, maybe not. Not financial advice. Well, Stock Tiger just wrapped up his stream, so we might end up getting a few more people coming over here now.
Music
Let's see,
licensing
we're at 6
reimagined.
viewers in my YouTube.
Artlist.io.
Not really getting out of this bullish fair value gap just yet.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Can't really trust this breakout though at this point.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
So we're ranking pretty high on X right now for live streams. I don't know if it's just because it's my channel, but like when I look at it, we're there's live on X. There's Tradeify with 268 people, and then there's me with 15, and Nick with 7.
Music licensing reimagined.
You know, I'll link my I will link my X in the chat here.
Artlist.io.
There's my X channel, and then I'll also link my YouTube channel, or I guess there's no point. You guys are mostly all in there, and nobody's in Nick's channel right now. So we currently got 6 viewers in YouTube, 16 in X, and 7 in Nick's X. And this is not playing out like we were hoping anyways.
Artlist.io.
We're too early, so let's get rid of this guy. You never know, might still end up getting up there at some point. Holding this these two fair value gaps. Bouncing off the overnight.
Reimagined.
I just got a new follower on X.
Artlist.io.
Is that your account? Okay. I was like wondering. Because I saw the post that 3i Atlas interested me. And then I was like, hey, didn't you just say something about that? Nice.
Music licensing reimagined.
Followed back.
Artlist.io.
Well, we held that low again. I mean, there's been some decent money to be made if you just play the extremes of this fair value gap.
Music licensing
Buying it down
reimagined.
here, selling it up there. You could have done this like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. And the reverse probably worked almost every time too.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
All right, guys. So we got 33 people. We got 5 in YouTube now. We got 17 in my X and 11 in Nick's X currently.
Music licensing reimagined.
Ralph's getting pretty bored here. How long do we got till? We got 20 minutes until Trump speaks. Is anybody else live on YouTube right now? There's got to be some people. Slow markets with Dakota.
Music licensing reimagined.
I like my my thumbnail. This guy. It's my new thumbnail here. Trading the global session. NQ ESGC trading strategy. Join my affiliate link. Join my Discord.
Artlist.io.
Oh, Wesley Emerald Gate is also streaming right now. He's a pretty good guy. Wednesday live futures trading with Stephen Kalajian.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, I like Wes also. I watch him too. He's like, I feel like we're sort of similar on having the nice, like, relaxing stream, right? There we go. We're starting to get that breakout here, maybe.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, exactly.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, he's his subscribers have gone up a lot recently. He's got up to like 6K from like earlier this year. And I've been watching him a bit, and it's kind of like I was just thinking like I should go start trading at the nighttime also, right? So he's got a lot of discount codes. Take Profit Trader, My Funded Futures, Trade Day, Lucid Trading, Bullinox, Earned a Trade, Glizzy Clip 5000 Indicator. You got Discord and X. Projecting off that again here. Yeah, they're definitely waiting for Trump to talk here, guys.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Okay, see you in a minute there, Evan.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Well, we got 8 points to the 500 here. So I'm going to be interesting to see how this plays out.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
All right, we're getting that pop here. 46 seconds. We're heading up to that 500 level. Let's see how this plays out. Let's see if we get something like this. If Trump smashes it down here. We're getting pretty close. We're about 10 minutes away. So this guy's going to close. We're going to have 2 more candles. 1, 2, and then the Trump candle is going to come.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music
No.
licensing reimagined.
That sucks. That's pretty frustrating. I'm like filling out a form and then it just like I clicked beside it and it like made the form go away.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Well, we rejected there again, guys.
Artlist.io.
Damn.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Good thing we're not trading in this area, guys. Really, although any of these buys down here would have worked on multiple occasions if we're just sort of targeting the top of this area. So 67 to 87.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
All right, so we're getting this sell off before Trump even speaks. Down to this fair value gap.
Music licensing.
So we didn't quite get what I was like thinking we were getting. It looks like we're getting that ahead of time. So maybe when Trump talks, it's going to go bullish. I don't know. Or either that or we're just going to head all the way down to these lows here. So we closed below this VWAP here. I'm just going to get rid of this stuff right now. And I can't really take a trade here. We're 5 minutes away from Trump talking. And don't really want that volatility to go against us. So and we closed below this fair value gap. So this guy's actually inverted now too. So let's make this guy yellow, and we'll just completely erase this one now because it's kind of insignificant at this point. We do have this guy forming, which is going to be somewhere in here, maybe.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Get ready. Here it comes. Look at that bounce.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
Two more minutes.
Music licensing reimagined. Music licensing reimagined.
Okay, this is 6 p.m. candle here. Let's see if we can't get a stream up of him. Let's see. Nothing yet. It's just obviously just started, but nothing happening yet.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Okay, he's talking.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Evan, are you watching this stream right now?
Music licensing reimagined.
Or the live feed of Donald Trump talking? Me too. We got 5 in my YouTube channel, 19 in my X channel, and 12 in Nick's X channel. So, oh, you're monitoring X? Nice.
Artlist.io.
Peace to the Middle East, the first time in 3,000 years.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
I don't know why everybody is so against Trump. I don't know. Seems like he's doing a good job to me.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
There's a deep state. It is not on Trump's side. Yeah.
Artlist.io.
Starting to get a little bit of a pump here. Oh, no tax on tips. Hey, wow, that's awesome for like all the service industry. Those people, you know, pretty struggle.
Artlist.io.
1.45 million military servicemen getting $1,700 to every single soldier. That's pretty interesting.
Reimagined.
Oh, do we take it long here or what? I don't know. We're right at the 500s. 25,000. Sheesh. It's pretty risky though. I don't know. Pretty risky.
Artlist.io.
Looking pretty strong though.
Artlist.io. Music licensing.
Big rejection off the 25,000 level there. And we're back in the chop zone. Wow, look at that rejection. I think you're right earlier when you're saying those pumps are the ones that are going to be sold, hey?
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, $1,776 to. Oh, interesting. I didn't know that it was founded in 1776, but that's cool. And he's given it to like 1.4 million troops.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Oh, if only Canada would listen to the green energy scam situation, because that's like huge in Canada right now. It's disgusting.
Artlist Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
There's that break and retest sort of. It's pretty scary though. I don't know. I really want to buy it right now,
Music licensing
but my
reimagined.
responsible side is telling me to not do it. And it would have been working so far, like 8, almost 10 points, 10, 15 points.
Artlist.io.
Wow, Tradeify TV just made a post on the live stream for $500. Wow, savage.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Oh, whoa. That goes to 2,500s, 25,000s.
Artlist.io.
Sheesh.
Music licensing reimagined.
Mega.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
There we go. He's done, I think.
Music licensing reimagined.
That was a pretty good speech. Now the sell-off begins, right? 24,975 below orders.
Artlist IO.
24,995, got 13 there.
Artlist IO.
There he is. Jose in the house. Good to see you, bud. Short than that shit. Sell off time. No. Pretty hard to short it down here, actually, or up here.
Artlist IO. Music licensing reimagined.
Well, that was fun. Not a whole lot happened. A quick scalp on MNQ at 970 out at 0150. Okay, 30, nice 31 points. Scalp. Nice trade. Jose's a man. 0152, hey?
Music licensing reimagined.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, shorts were in. Oh my god. I think we're going to wrap up the stream here in a few minutes, but nice 1 minute volume spike at 1755 PST. Hey Wayne, how you doing tonight? 1755.
Artlist IO.
PST. Good. So you're at Pacific Standard Time. That's West Coast, right? Isn't it?
Music licensing reimagined.
1755. LA, yeah. Nice. Killer. Which contracts are you looking at right now? Let's see here. Gold? Or the 1755 gold? 1755 had a pretty big increase on gold. Pretty good volume.
Artlist IO. Music licensing reimagined.
Ooh. MNQ, gotcha. I see it. Yeah. The 54-55 candles are pretty big. Back into this fair value gap here. We left this guy here, but they've already inverted that, so that's kind of interesting.
Music licensing reimagined.
Although that was on the 1 minute.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
1755, the Accum phase, then up. Yeah, I gotcha. Yeah, boom. Now we're pulling back down again, but you know, volume's dropping here, so there's a good chance we're just gonna bounce off any of these levels here.
Artlist.io.
What did I take? I took 1, 2, 3 trades today. 3 trades, 3 for 3. Not bad, not bad.
Music licensing.
3. Did I take? How many trades did I take today? Yeah, 1, 2, 3. 3 trades. VWAP 24,966. Yeah, that's the overnight VWAP there. New York session, I did all right today. Let's see, what did I get? I'm up 201 in my 4 copy traded accounts. That's added up though, not 200 in each one. And then I put 180 in eval, and I think I put about 50 in a different eval. So 175, 225, so about 425 on the day total. So not bad. I didn't take very many trades today. There's my this is my calendar so far for the month. Mostly all green so far. I did take 2 trades tonight, or 3 trades tonight. 2 winners in my Blue Guardian futures account. This one right here. So I made 55 there, and then I also took 1 trade in an evaluation account, Lucid evaluation account here. This guy up 181 on that guy. So 3 trades this evening. I'm not tracking these ones though. I'm not tracking these evaluation accounts. So, and I haven't taken any funded trades tonight. Oh, getting tired though. Probably gonna wrap up the stream here pretty quick. 9:30 p.m. We got 31 viewers right now though. We got 8 people in the YouTube channel, 20 in my X, 13 in Nick's X. So appreciate all you guys tuning in. TradeZella, no, it's not free. You got to pay a subscription for that. I'm not sure how much it is. Let me look it up for you real quick.
Music licensing reimagined.
The basic plan is $24 a month if you pay it annually, or if you pay it monthly is $29. The pro plan is $50 a month, or $33 if you pay it annually. So definitely makes sense to pay the annual fee. I don't remember how I did it. I'm pretty sure it's an annual fee also. But it's really good to log your trades, and then you can look back at it all, and see your win rates and what time of day is best to trade and everything. And then you can also do back testing on there, which I like to do. And not only that, but it like tracks and keeps record of all your trades in the back testing also, which is pretty awesome. So definitely worth the money. Can learn a lot from your wins and your losses.
Artlist.io.
And glad I haven't really taken any trades in here. Probably just going to get chopped up at this point. Kind of pulling back, heading back up, rejecting, going lower, heading higher, going back into this channel. It's like we're just stuck here. Hey, no problem, Jose. We got two Jose's in the channel right now. Unless it's the same Jose, but with a different YouTube account. So we got a couple more subscribers today, guys. We're up to 169 now. Thank you, everybody who did subscribe, and whoever may have hit that like button on the session. Also, appreciate that.
Artlist.io.
We got 12 likes. Very nice. Thank you so much.
Music licensing.
Okay, guys, you know what? I think I've had enough here. I'm going to be back live again tomorrow morning, so I should probably get a little bit of rest. It was fun hanging out with you guys, though. If you guys are thinking about picking up some futures accounts, I am an affiliate with Top One Futures and with Lucid. So definitely check those out. You can use my code MBT, Market Butcher Trades. You can see there on the little banner at the bottom. That's for Lucid. And like I said, I also have Top One Futures. So if you're thinking to go direct to funded, Top One Futures is pretty good for going straight into funded account. But if you're looking for evaluations, I would say Lucid's the way to go there. There's no activation fees. You can pass it in one day. Really good features. But they're both solid firms. I wouldn't back them up or say anything about them, promote them if I didn't feel that way. I trade both of them. So I got this guy here where I got two straight to funded accounts here that I trade, 50K accounts right there. And then I also got my Lucid trading accounts, which are over here. So you can kind of see them all here. I got four funded and 2 evaluations right now. This is the funded account where I made 181 tonight. So, and then I actually just picked up 5 take profit trader accounts. Gonna copy trade these guys. as you can see right here. Boom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gonna copy trade these guys. Haven't taken any trades in them yet. They're brand new, so I just got them earlier today. So good times, good times. Let's make some money. Thanks a lot, everybody. Appreciate you guys tuning in. We got 8 people in my YouTube channel, and 20 in X, and 13 in Nick's X channel. So thank you so much, everybody, for tuning in. Hopefully you're green, had a good day, and stay safe. And we'll be live back tomorrow morning for 9:15 on the East Coast time for market open. So appreciate you guys. Take care. You have a good day, good evening, and we'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.